Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. Today's video is all about the Fun Making Jewelry Challenge hosted by Dahlia Designs, aka Deb Hawk. So Deb always gives us 3 challenges. The first challenge is something you have to do, the other 2 are optional. So for this month, March of 2024, she wanted us to use the colors of light blue and gray. She wanted us to make some type of a wispy design, like a windy type design. And she wanted us to use clouds. Now, when I thought about the clouds, the first thing that came to my mind was a bargain bead box. And I believe I don't think it was last year. I think it was 2022. And we had some cloud beads. And I looked all over for them. I must have used them all. I really liked those. But I'm going to show you something that I made a while back with those. I didn't make them for this challenge, but I'm going to throw them into the mix. But first I want to show you what I made for the challenge. I used these light blue beads here. And I believe they are, I'm trying to think of what they are. They came from a bargain bead box. And I don't remember what kind of stone they are. If y'all know, let me know down in the comment section below. I do believe they are a natural stone. Now these are a crackle agate. And I just kind of thought they looked very wispy to me. If you could see the crackling in there. And this bracelet, any bracelet like this kind of has a whimsy feel to it. Here, let me put it down. Because of the looseness and all. Basically what I did was I took some 20 gauge wire and I made links out of all the beads. And then I took jump rings and attached them all together. And on one end, I put a lobster claw clasp. And then on the other end, I put the jump ring there. And that is my bracelet. Now, I made sure that at the end, we didn't have 2 beads the same. Fortunately, I got lucky this time. Sometimes when you're doing that, you may not get so lucky. But this fits me quite nicely. And I think it's perfect for March. And look at the cloud earrings. Do y'all remember these clouds from Bargain Bead Box a couple years ago? They have been so fun. And then I had some lightning charms that I just had added to the beads and all. And that is my set. Let me lay them out here. I'd like to thank y'all for joining me. And I hope you go check out all the other participants. Check it out down in the comment section, not comment section. Check out in the description box below for all the links of the participants. And go check out their short videos. And y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.